Kukirin is a company known for making some of the best electric scooters on the market at competitive prices, so I jumped at the chance to review their 2026 G2. With an 800 watt motor, a sleek touchscreen dashboard and a refined suspension system, it promises a significant leap over everyday electric scooters. Over the past month I've been amazed at how much fun they are on private roads. It's a product I never knew I needed until I actually got one. With that in mind, I will be pushing the G2 to the test to see if it lives up to the hype. I'm curious to find out its top speed, how well it handles, what's the battery life like, and I will also share my opinions, of course, on if the G2 is worth the asking price. Setting up was really easy. Straight out of the box you only need to fit 2 screws and assembly is complete. On the right of the handlebar is a trigger style throttle that feels high quality. There's a power button that also controls various settings such as cycling between different power modes and other advanced options. The central display, while it serves as a speedometer and battery gauge, it also toggles your headlights, switches between miles per hour and kilometers per hour, and you can activate cruise control. This display makes it really easy to be able to see real-time data and adjust what's needed on the move. On the left hand side there's indicators and an awesome sounding horn. Both brakes are highly responsive and utilise a dual disc system that provides consistent, reliable braking even when riding at top speeds. Endos are more than possible, or wheelies, and it has some serious stopping power that makes me feel confident about riding it fast on private roads, of course. The G2 features a one-button folding system, making it easy to store away or place in a car. The overall weight of the scooter is 26 kilograms, so it's quite heavy to carry. It's got some serious weight to it, feeling like a proper bike rather than a cheap toy. I did have an iScooter before this, and that was just terrible regarding build quality, although I had a much cheaper version compared to this. Moving on to the G2's performance, the scooter is rated for a top speed of 28 miles an hour or 45 kilometers per hour. But with the restrictor turned off, I could reach over 30 miles an hour no trouble at all. In fact, on a constant flat road surface I could reach 32 miles an hour, and I weigh 13 stone for reference. Always wear a helmet. I have one. Just for the video I took it off as it was 36 degrees Celsius at the time of filming. Regardless, it's great to have that power available to tackle any terrain. Whether I had steep inclines or uneven pavements in front of me, the G2 just kept on going. I have lots of farm roads near me. This is without a doubt the most fun I've had in ages, and it's got me wondering what it's like to ride Kukirin's higher end models. Saying that, the G2 ticks all the boxes, and I definitely don't need any more power. The 800 watt motor delivers constant torque, and it never feels like it's struggling. It pulls you up hills with surprising ease, maintaining a steady pace. The suspension is also just as impressive. Considering the overall weight, I can bunny hop standing still. Curbs are no problem at all, as the tyres are specifically designed to absorb heavy impacts. Whether I'm going over rough terrain or hitting an unexpected pothole, the dampening system works extremely well. On hills, the scooter performs great. I was able to maintain a steady speed on a 20-degree incline without breaking a sweat. While many scooters start to lose momentum the moment the road tilts upwards, the 800 watt motor in the G2 provides consistent torque that keeps me on the move. Even on steep urban gradients, it doesn't feel like it's struggling. That makes conquering tough terrain feel like a breeze rather than a workout. I have never had this scooter run out of steam on any incline in my local area. Unlike my i9 scooter, I would have to jump off that constantly and push it up hills. You get what you pay for, as they say. The price jump here is well worth the extra money. It feels way safer to ride as well. Moving on to the battery, the Kukirin G2 is fitted with a huge battery which contributes to the overall weight a lot. I find a single charge lasts for about 20 to 25 miles, but this depends heavily on your overall weight, the terrain you're tackling, and how aggressively you use that 800 watt motor. While the manufacturer advertises a maximum range of 34 miles under ideal control conditions, you should realistically expect a little bit less if you're frequently hitting top speed or climbing hills. Even so, it's more than enough to handle a solid day of commuting or a weekend of exploring farm roads on a single charge. Right, I have absolutely loved testing this scooter. I use it to go on trips, quick grocery runs, and it has fundamentally changed how I look at short distance travel, to the point I hardly use my car anymore, making what used to be a chore feel like the best part of my day because they are excellent fun to ride. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful machine, I can highly recommend the G2. It's balanced, built to last, and can tackle any terrain. I personally changed the look of mine so it looks more subtle by wrapping the logos so it doesn't attract as much attention. I might spray it black soon. I want a bat scooter vibe going on. Oh, also, I generally sit down a lot making YouTube videos all day, and this has really helped me get out more. It surprisingly gives me some decent exercise, since you remain standing for the duration of your ride and your body is constantly making micro adjustments to maintain stability, which engages several muscle groups. What are your opinions on electric scooters? If you have any questions about the G2, drop them down in the comments below, and if you feel like checking out some of my other videos, I can highly recommend these beauties. My name's Mark from Silence Tech. Goodbye.